said it's fucking payday, motherfucker.
I could get it like ooh. True sale, my money in hundreds. Still rolling with the same goons. A couple man and we all money hungry. I could get it like ooh. A fast stack, man, I wanna see hundreds. All this dough in abundance, I want hundreds. I could get it like ooh. True sale, my money in hundreds. Still rolling with the same goons. A couple man and we all money hungry. I could get it like ooh. A fast stack, man, I wanna see hundreds. All this dough in abundance, I want hundreds. I could get it like ooh. I'm in love with the money if I'm honest. He stays stuck like glue. It's in my head, bad things on my conscience. But I just stay on my joke. There ain't no any other way that I want it. Other way that I want it. No any other way that I want it. Couldn't say I had it bad. Couldn't say I had it good, yeah. All I wanted was dough, so I was slanging out packs in the hood, yeah. Any way that I could, I would take the risk and jump on it. Wanted all of that profit, free my guys out the bin, all I forgive all my sins, I move cold, call me winter. Be dripping, they call me a swimmer. Now I got a couple views, couple niggas acting new on what the girls wanna do. They say they wanna fuck with Mr. Relevant News, yeah. Bro said don't stop, bro said I should really stay on it. Some things don't work, some things don't go the way you want it. So I stay on job, one man up is the way that I focus. Only way that I focus, one man up is the way that I could get it like ooh. True sale, my money in hundreds. Still rolling with the same goons. Couple man and we all money hungry. I could get it like ooh. A fast stack, man, I wanna see hundreds. All this dough in abundance, I want hundreds.